You know how Nvidia's stock chart over the last 5 years looks like it was drawn with a rocket? A $5,000 investment back then would be worth over $75,000 today. But here's the thing. We can't go back in time and scoop up Nvidia before AI took off. So the question now is, where could the next Nvidia-style growth come from? One sector that's quietly heating up? Quantum computing. And today, we're diving into 4 companies that could ride this wave. Big potential, big risks. And just so we're clear, this is not financial advice. This is just a random YouTube video on the internet. All credit for these picks goes to FinTech, whose research we're highlighting here. Let's jump in. Stock number 1, Coherent Corp. COHR. If you've ever heard the phrase picks and shovels play from the gold rush, this is it. Coherent doesn't make quantum computers. They make the precision lasers, photonics, and fiber optics that every quantum machine needs to function. Think of them as the behind-the-scenes supplier to IBM, D-Wave, startups, and research labs. Why I like it? No matter which type of quantum computer wins, gate model, annealing, or something we haven't invented yet, Coherent's gear will be in demand. They also serve other industries like semiconductors and telecoms, giving them multiple revenue streams. Risks? They're in turnaround mode, with some shaky profitability and a higher bankruptcy risk score. High risk, high reward. But if quantum scales, they could be in the sweet spot. Stock number 2, IBM, the granddaddy of computing. IBM isn't new to tech revolutions. They've been here for over 100 years. But what makes them interesting today is their full-stack approach to quantum. They build the machines, provide the cloud platform, and even teach companies how to use them. They have their own quantum system in real-world use. The Cleveland Clinic has one, and their open-source framework, Qiskit, is the most popular in the world. Over 600,000 developers have used it. They're also committing $150 billion over 5 years into quantum, which is more than 40 times the market cap of some of their competitors. Risk? Timing. Quantum is still early stage, so revenue impact might take years. But IBM's strong core business lets them play the long game. Stock number 3, D-Wave Quantum QBTS, the moonshot pick. D-Wave specializes in quantum annealing, solving complex optimization problems like delivery routes, factory layouts, and energy grids. They've landed deals with major defense contractors and are even on the Pentagon's tech shortlist. The good? First mover advantage and a deep patent portfolio. The bad? Revenue is still tiny, under $10 million annually, and short sellers have accused them of overhyping their tech. Volatile and speculative, but if they hit big, it could be explosive. Stock number 4, Defiance Quantum ETF, QTUM. Not sure which company to bet on? QTUM lets you buy a basket of quantum and related tech stocks, including IBM, D-Wave, Coherent, Alphabet, and Nvidia. Only 10 to 20% is pure quantum, with the rest in supporting technologies like AI. It won't triple overnight, but it's a way to get exposure without the single stock risk. Downside? Higher annual fee, 0.4%, compared to broad market ETFs. Bottom line, D-Wave is your moonshot, IBM is your stable core, Coherent is your quantum supplier bet. QTUM ETF is your diversified play. Quantum computing could take years, maybe a decade, to truly explode. But when it does, it could change industries overnight. The key for investors is positioning yourself now without overexposing your portfolio. This has been your shot of biz, finance, and motivation.